This is the Bivariate presentation assignment for PAL 242Y in the autumn of 2012. It is to this video that you must post a reply on YouTube in order to complete the pre-recorded aspect of the presentation assignment. I prefer that you work with a partner on your presentation so that you have a joint project. You may, of course, work on your own if you wish. In preparing your work, you should use only approved data, and if you're using one of the cross-national studies, data only from one country. Consistent with what we've done all term, cross-tabulation should be used to explain variation in a dependent variable, but in this case you have three independent variables. The cross-tabular analysis can be supplemented with other appropriate statistical techniques such as reliability analysis or statistical significance testing. You should formulate each of your hypotheses in light of a review of the literature, and all variables should be recoded and labeled appropriately. You should focus in your presentation upon the substance of your analysis, not upon the statistical techniques. The idea here is you should tell a story with your presentation. Naturally, I would suggest you incorporate feedback from your homework worksheets and present your results in clear presentation quality tables. Raw output from WebStats is not acceptable. There are several essential aspects of this assignment. The first is that you need to create a YouTube account using a pseudonym and not your real name. Secondly, you need to notify me and the coordinating TA of your pseudonym no later than noon on Friday, November 16th. Third, you need to create a PowerPoint presentation that is in the form of a video with narration. Fourth, this video needs to be posted on YouTube as a response to my video no later than noon on Wednesday, November 21st. Fifth, you need to make a live presentation in your tutorial session in the period between November 21 and December 4th. You will be assigned a particular day to do so. Finally, you need to submit a hard copy of your slides for the presentation at the end of the live presentation. The first component of your assignment is to create a YouTube account. In order to protect your privacy, I would prefer that you not use your real name on the YouTube account. So you should use a pseudonym. I'd like the pseudonyms to combine a city name of your own choice with the year and our course code. I give an example here. More complete instructions are available on YouTube at the link cited on the slide. You should also notify me and the coordinating TA, Mr. Edie, by email of your pseudonym choice. This should be done no later than noon on Friday, November 16th. I'd like you to indicate, of course, whether you're working alone or with a partner and provide the appropriate names. And if there's a partner, I'd like to know in which of your tutorial sessions you will be making your presentation. The next component of the assignment is to create and post a video response to this video. You should prepare and post your own video on your YouTube account. And you should include both slides and audible narration in your video. Please double check that the narration is audible. The syntax that you use to create your analyses should be included as part of the video description. Instructions are available on YouTube at the PAL 242 how-to site. You should use your pseudonym on the first slide of the recorded presentation, not your own name. Please post your video as a response to this assignment video no later than 12 noon on Wednesday, November 21st. Another essential aspect of this assignment is to make a live presentation. You will do so in your tutorial sessions according to a schedule that will be published shortly. You must have both the PowerPoint and a hard copy of your presentation in hand as you make the live presentation, and submit the hard copy to me afterwards. The live presentation must not exceed 5 minutes. There'll be no exceptions to this. You should set the slides on your PowerPoint to manual advance, and this can be done by going to the slideshow menu and clicking on the link to set up slideshow. The PowerPoint presentation slides should number no more than 10. One or two of these should be a brief summary of your research question and the approach you will be using. Another one or two will be devoted to the rationale for your work and a review of the literature. And one slide would be devoted to the reliability analysis of your dependent variable. The heart of your presentation will be the cross-tabulations, and these will take up approximately 3 slides because you'll have 3 independent variables and 1 dependent variable. I think that you might have also a slide that summarizes what you've found, and one more slide about what you'd conclude either at a political level, a methodological level, or in terms of research, generally speaking. So 10 slides in all. Please bring one printed copy of all the slides used in your presentation to the live presentation. This hard copy should be suitable for projection should the computer fail or the PowerPoint program not work for some reason. On the hard copy, please include your name and your student number, as well as the pseudonym on the title page of the hard copy. This is the only place your name should appear, is on the hard copy. Please also have a page with the syntax that you've used in your analysis submitted as part of this hard copy. You should submit the hard copy immediately following the live presentation to me directly. Let's review the components of this assignment. There are essentially 5. First, you need to create a YouTube account using a pseudonym rather than your own name. This is to protect your privacy. Second, you need to notify me and Gregory Eady as to your pseudonym and who are the presenters, and to do this no later than Friday, November 16th at noontime. The third thing is that you need to actually post the video response to this video no later than Wednesday, November 21st at noon. The fourth step is to make a live presentation in your own tutorial session. This will fall sometime between November 21st and the end of term. The actual date of your presentation will be made available shortly. The fifth thing is to submit a hard copy of your slides, including your syntax, at the end of the live presentation. All in all, I think this assignment can be both fun and instructive. I very much look forward to it, and I trust that you do as well. I hope you can do something interesting and have some fun along the way.